Good morning to all. This is Dr. Sujitha. I'm working at RIMS Rehab, and this is my patient was Ashoda Devi, and she joined with the condition with CVA with monoparesis, and her GCS scale was okay 15/15, and my MMT was about 2 out of 5 for left lower limb. At the time she came with wheelchair, and even she can't even stand also. Now from that I started with core exercises, strengthening and sit to stand balance, coordination exercises. These all I tried. Now her MMT was about 4. After trying these all exercises, her present status was good and well. Now she is able, when she can able to walk, she can do her activities also. And we'll ask her what was it. మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది అమ్మ, ఇక్కడ నచ్చిందా, ట్రీట్మెంట్ పరంగా ఎలా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ సరౌండింగ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, కొంచెం అక్కడ చెప్పండి.
చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా బాగా ఇప్పుడు
మీరు ఎలా నడుస్తున్నారు?